pickle review coming in. So I've only ever had the sliced coin ones, whatever those are called. Never had any of these spears, especially not the hot ones from Grillo. So we're gonna see about it. Pickle guy. Okay, so the best part about Grillos to me is that they taste like super fresh. They're like homemade pickles, and there's like very simple ingredients. There's like nothing extra added in there. Like, check it. Nothing extra. 5 calories. It's good. It's not very hot, but it's good.